basically what my hair looks like naturally. Like I said, it's really short. It's just recently growing back. But I'm going to show you guys how I do achieve that hairstyle. So what you're going to need is water, or get in the shower, moisturizer, this is the one I use, like I said, a comb, any kind of comb, a brush as well. So I use this hard bristled brush, and then a scarf, any scarf, and of course the bun. So I basically start with soaking my hair, like completely soak. So usually I don't have to spray it, because I would just get in the shower the night before. So you really want it soaking wet. Soaking wet, you comb it. I mean, you can also do this with gel. I'm sure like people who have like thicker hair, they can't just like spray it with water and it'll lay down. So you can always use gel and basically do the same process. So you put gel in it and then you wrap it overnight and then you be good. So this is laying down because, oh, let me tell you guys, so my hair is like texturized right now. So that's why it's looking like it's just laying down so easily. Lies. But anyway, so I grabbed the moisturizer. I just got my nails done. Well, not really, but I don't like, when I have my nails done, I don't like dipping my hand in the lotion bottle because I don't like how it gets in my nails. So I literally just like pack it on there. Just, psh, what is a dime? Just a handful. Put it all over the hair, because honestly this thing like moisturizes my hair so well. Like my hair is gonna be so soft and nice the whole day. Put it in there. You get the brush, really comb it. You can do your baby hairs if you want. I don't really feel like doing baby hairs. All my hair is baby hairs right now. Comb the back. I'll show you guys. So I just comb it up. Like I said, we're making a pretend bun because my hair definitely cannot be put in a bun right now. But you just want to comb it in that motion. So you do that. And then you just grab your scarf. Any scarf. This is the one I'm using right now. So this hairstyle is literally for like people with no hair. Well, not no hair, but like really short hair to really long hair. Just to switch up the style a little bit. So I wrap it like this. I'm like trying to spin. So I wrap it like this. Wrapped. If you have another cap, you could put it over it just to like conceal it in there. But yeah, you do that and you go night night. So of course I'm not gonna like have time to do it in the morning, so I'm just gonna show you guys. So let's say it's morning time or whatever, you take off your scarf after you've showered, you're ready to get ready for the day. So even like now, just leaving it for a little bit, it's like down there, but to get true results, do it overnight. And then you get the clip, get the hair. It comes with 2 clips on the inside. Like I said, this is just from a beauty supply store. I'm sure you could find it in any beauty supply store. It was like 12 bucks. So it comes with that clip in the front and another one in the back, and then the strap. So I basically just shove it in there. Just grab it, put it in. Let me turn around for you guys. This is a struggle right now. So then get the bottom part, just push it in there as much as you can. Get the bottom comb. This is a little hard right now because it's still wet, but it's still getting the job done. You tighten it as tight as you need, and then you just take the strap and shove that in there. It's a lot of shoving here. And then you just fluff it to your liking. This looks crooked. It's crooked, but it's okay. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. This did not even take, well, all in all right now that I did it, 5 minutes. It didn't even take 5 minutes. So you can either do this first and then wrap it, or you can wrap it first and then put it on. It doesn't really matter. All you're literally doing is clipping this in. And it's very secure. Like, I have not that much hair, guys, so it's actually staying in there. But yeah, I'm trying to... So yeah, that is the end of this tutorial, or I guess idea for your hair, things to do with your hair at whatever length. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the box below. Okay, let me stop. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.